All right, I'm going to show you how to stop apps from automatically starting on your Android phone. The easiest way to do this, find the app on your phone's app drawer first. Let's say I want to look at this one. I'll long press the app icon and then tap that little info button to go into the app info settings. Once we're in the app info, we'll go to the battery usage menu. And here you can change the setting to restricted, or on some phones, you might see an off option instead. Setting an app to be restricted prevents it from running in the background or auto starting on reboot. But keep in mind, this also means you'll only get notifications or data updates when you manually open that app. So obviously, restricting background activity also means you won't get notified about anything happening in that app until you check it yourself. Another thing you can do, if you're trying to stop a manufacturer-specific auto start manager, we can do that through settings too. On a Samsung phone, I'd go to Settings, then Battery, and within the battery menu, go to Background Usage Limits. Here, you'll see a menu called Deep Sleeping Apps. I'll tap into that, and using this plus icon, I can add whatever app I want prevented from starting up automatically. Apps added here will stay inactive in the background and only run when you manually open them. And limiting apps through this Deep Sleeping menu is a great option for those system apps that might not have their own app icon in your app drawer. And that is how you prevent apps from auto-launching on Android. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more quick, simple guides like this one. Thanks all!